So grading bedding is a geology term describing certain features we see in sedimentary rocks. For example, here I have some very fine-grained sand, layer of pebbles, more pebbles back there, and more sand. What's going on is very simple. You're seeing a decrease in energy in the environment development. So imagine this. You have a bowling ball, a soccer ball, a baseball, and a golf ball. You're running down a hallway. As it gets heavier and you lose energy, what do you drop off first? The bowling ball, then the soccer ball, generally speaking, then the tennis ball, and the golf ball. But the idea is that as the river's going through this area, it drops off the pebbles here and sand later because why? It's losing energy. That's what we call graded bedding. Just like there are different grades of children, first, second, third, and so on, well, it turns out we see the same thing in geology. What I'm saying here is this is a 500 million year old rock from central Texas, from the Cambrian period. You can see there are pebbles and sand here too, just like there are pebbles and sand there. So it's the same physics, same geology to show this environment changing. This came from a 500 million year old river, and I'm sitting here on Spring Creek today here in the Houston area, well, greater Houston area. So the idea is that the same geology, same environment. Why does that matter? Well, if I'm looking for certain minerals or stones, I look for this area here. If I need sand for my yard, I get right here. The idea is that the materials can tell you where to find different things. So it's a really important thing to interpret in geology. And it's called graded bedding.